Ortel and Miss Janela Salvador.
Yung gagaling.
Okay, nasagdan. Ayan po, tayo po. Ayan, nabibigay po sila na surprise sa ating mga friends from the press. Yun pa, girls. Ito, yung press hindi pwede bigyan. Ano yan? Yung hindi press hindi bibigyan. Dito. Okay. Ako na kayo lang natin, mga newcomers. Mga newcomers, Ayan, kapatay nyo. Dito pa.
From the entertainment press, welcome. This afternoon, I want us to celebrate the spirit of Christmas. I-advance natin, total, malapit na. Let us all have fun with the young cast of Ricas Metro Manila Film Fest entry, Haunted Mansion. Gusto ko mag-enjoy ang press. Alam naman ninyo, love na love ko kayo. Alam ko din, love ko din si Mother Lily at ang Ricas Film. Let's all make this an afternoon of fun, music at syempre raffle. Marami ang natatanong, bakit hindi shake, rattle, and roll ang entry ni Mother sa Film Fest? It's because I believe so much in Haunted Mansion. I believe so much in my newest baby, Janela, Mario, and Jeru, others. First time I visited the set of sa Bulacan. Listen. Hindi na ako magsasalita.
Pagyan naman natin si Mother.
First time I visited the set in Bulacan, natakot ako. Nakakakilabot. Di ako nakatulog. That's how scary the movie is. Pati si Mother Lily na-shake, na-rattle, at na-roll. That's why I hope that my beloved friends from the press would help me spread good words about Haunted Mansion. Alam ko, mahal niyo ako. Kailangan marami releases. Thank you. It is one of Liga's biggest, scariest horror Christmas offering in the tradition of Shake, Bahay ni Lola, at etc. Haunted Mansion is the ultimate screen fest this Christmas season. And so it is with much pride that I present to you my newest baby, Janela, Mario, Jeru, Marlo, nakauli natin na ako. And others, of course. Let us take break today and let us have a hauntingly fun afternoon here in my Valencia mansion. Maraming salamat po and Merry Christmas to all. I love you, Ate Ethel.
Thank you very much, Mother Lily. And of course, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of the President of the Directors Guild of the Philippines, Joel Lamanga, sa pong magbibigay ng award bukas kay Mother Lily for her achievement in local film industry. At this point, ito po, isa muna rin po kasiyahan. Isa po sa mga teen actors natin talagang very promising today at pinagkahanguluhan. Now, how about a number from Marlo Ortel? Palakpakan po natin si Marlo.